Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to delete an account from Roblox app. If you have got multiple accounts linked in a Roblox app, here is how you can delete one or some of those accounts from your Roblox app. To do that, press More icon or button from the left. Press Switch Accounts button. And here you will see accounts linked to this app. To delete one of them, click Manage Accounts. And here you see trash icon in front of each account. Click trash account for any account to delete. Note that this will remove the account from app. It will not delete the account. Your account on Roblox will be there. It will be just removed from this app. You will be able to always add it later here or on another device and on another app. Like you're removing your account from the app, not from Roblox. So if you want to add it back later, you can click this button, add an account, and then select sign in to existing account. Sign in again to that account that you removed and it will be added here again. But to delete it or remove it from this app, click Manage Accounts and then remove it from here by clicking this trash icon. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.